To fix AnyDesk waiting for image, as you can see, this is where the problem starts. There is connected and waiting for image. What you need to do is to press on the cancel button, and then afterwards you will see that the session has already been closed. What you need to do is to click on the new session. Afterwards, go to the three-line button that you can see at the upper right and redirect yourself to the settings option. After redirecting yourself to the setting option, go to the left side where you consider the option dashboard and click on the connection button or connection option. Afterwards, what you need to do is to edit the general HTTP proxy settings. After editing everything, you can now go ahead and apply these changes to your AnyDesk. Afterwards, click on the apply button that you can see at the lower right. And now it's fixed.